Hello, please join us today as we want to examine a beautiful villa. This villa is located near the city of Tehran, Iran. The land has an approximate area of 450 square meters and was built in 2020. Let's take a look at its location. It is located in a neighborhood with a 3-story building density and a very crowded urban facade, not particularly interesting in terms of urban design. The area is somewhat mountainous with old buildings. The first notable characteristic is its simple facade with no unnecessary elements. It beautifully stands out amidst the chaotic urban facade. It is presented in pure white color and has minimal openings, ensuring minimal visibility from the outside to the inside. This concept of privacy and spatial seclusion has been widely used in Iranian culture in the past. Ground floor plan. Here we have the entrance leading to a divided lobby space. The parking lot accommodates 2 cars, and there is also a space for a pool and seating. This area is well organized and free of defects. First floor plan. A staircase leads to a void space, providing natural light to this area. The elevator and bathroom are well placed. There is a shoe storage area and from there and access to the second kitchen. It is a well-structured and easily accessible layout. However, there are 2 downsides. The guest room entrance passes through the staircase area and intersects with the living room space, which I would have preferred to have a separate entrance from those areas. Nevertheless, we witness an extraordinary design here, creating a volume with a light-filled space that ensures minimal visibility for the residents. Another issue is the distance between the dining room and the kitchen. It requires a long route to prepare and serve meals, especially when hosting a large number of guests. However, other aspects are excellent, such as the floor-to-ceiling windows providing ample light and a very nice terrace with good southern exposure. A staircase from the inner courtyard leads to a very practical and well-designed first-floor terrace. But they simply forgot to install the railing. Ascending these stairs doesn't make the residents feel safe, but the staircase itself is very simple and suspended, with recessed lights for nighttime illumination. The kitchen area is divided into 2 separate parts and has a chiller system for cooling and heating. The void space is excellent, with stairs leading to the rooftop and an excellent visual separator. As mentioned earlier, it would have been better if the dining room had been combined with the living room. Second floor plan. The boldness in the second floor plan is highly commendable. The bedroom windows are provided from within the building, ensuring a high level of privacy. There is a spacious patio area that is well elevated. Here we have a laundry area, which is very well placed, and 2 rooms sharing a bathroom. The residents have a private living area and a master bedroom with a relatively small ensuite bathroom. The bedroom is relatively large and well designed. Even if you pay attention, the privacy of the bedroom area is still maintained through simple yet professional movements. Indeed, one of the reasons for using these lamps is the low ceiling height of the spaces and the simplicity of the villa's facade, which, in my opinion, has turned it into extraordinary effect. Perhaps more thought could have been given to the selection of lamp models, which would have resulted in a better choice. Lastly, we have the rooftop area and a covered space used as a storage room, utilizing everything very well. Overall, I can say that we have extraordinary and excellent work where everything is well separated and designed. Despite its simplicity, it maintains a continuous and orderly spatial hierarchy. It doesn't strive for grandeur and luxury, but this simply adds to its beauty.